Conan on content and all things digital. I got Kash Johal from, oh wait a minute, it's the wireless display signage technology. Did I say that right?
That's pretty good.
Actually, just here in California. Do you know I was saying that the CETW is all different things, not much digital signage? Well, I did find a table display with digital signage. This is very interesting from a dollars and cents perspective, if nothing else. This is a forever number of screens. I'm not limited by the number of screens I would put up.
Right.
But it's cloud-based.
Digital signage.
Using Google, tell me?
Using Google TV. So this is actually a Google TV. There is no need for a media player. It runs Android. It just goes to the cloud, plays the content. And you can mix YouTube videos, real-time websites, your own web information,
all right, now,
all on the same.
One time, when I was converting from DVD, one of my networks from DVD to broadband distribution. So I looked at some of the prices, and I said, those prices are nuts for screens. So I went out and bought TVs.
Right.
And like every time I woke up, another service call. So finally this engineer from University of Florida said to me, listen, and I hope I can repeat this the way he said it, because it's going to bring me to my question. He said, even though you've disconnected the tuner, there is still a microprocessor in that television.
Right.
When it gets confused, and explain confusion, as he said, if you were standing in a bar, so always anybody talks to me, talks about a bar. You're standing in a bar and you're seeing the guy next to you at 11 o'clock in the morning when there's nobody else in there. I'll see you at 7 o'clock for dinner. He hears that perfectly.
Right.
But now it's 4:30 in the afternoon, it's happy hour, there's 20,000 people in there, all laughing and singing and dancing, and you say the same thing at the same level, he can't hear it.
Okay.
And that's what that microprocessor did, so it reverts to its original default settings from the factory. Now you got to go back out with a service call to put it back to your digital signage.
Right.
Why doesn't it happen with this if there's a TV?
Because we actually have an app that runs on that.
It has an app.
It has an app, and what it does specifically is it resets every 4 hours in the background, so the customer never sees it, but it refreshes all the caches and everything else, and goes and checks on the web every few minutes if there's an update, but it's just playing everything from local content. We just refresh every 4 hours.
One of the reasons we use media players is because we never know when it's going to get interrupted. So we download at night into our media player.
Right.
The next day, the media player is playing directly onto the screen.
Right.
Without having to go back out
Absolutely.
to the internet to talk to anybody.
Right.
So if the internet shuts down in that particular location, it does not affect the content on the screen.
Exactly.
What happens here?
We have storage in the TV of up to 4 gig, and you can use that for videos and things like that.
What is 4 gig to me? I don't know what mine is. I run an 8-hour full motion audio video playlist.
Okay. Yeah, our customers are typically not running that. They're running maybe a 5, 10, 20-minute playlist and doing it repetitively. That's typically how our customers are doing it.
Could I get an 8-hour playlist on that?
You can update I guess you can use a little extra USB memory stick, and then you can take that up to 8 hours if you want, because they can go up to 128 gig or whatever.
I'm going to have the guys take a look at this and talk to you about it.
Okay.
Website?
WiFiDisplays.com.
WiFiDisplays.com. Is it just a commercial, or is there good information on there?
There's some pretty good information on there.
All right, so if the technology guy went on there, he's going to be able to navigate around and figure out what you're doing so he can know if it works?
And have them contact us, and we have a free app that they can try out. So
got an app?
It's got an app, and it's free to try out.
All right, thanks a lot.
Hey, thanks, Phil. Appreciate it.
You'll see me in a few minutes. I'm having a great time here.